Now, the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers, KUCO, has maintained that its strike set for Sunday, January the 19th, will proceed as planned.
This despite KUCO Secretary General George Gibore and Chairperson Peterson Wachira meeting the Council of Governors on Tuesday in a bid to avert the looming strike. And as Joseph Wakhungu reports, KUCO leaders insist that government has 5 days to meet all the demands. Why? To avoid paralysis in the health sector.
A day after Kenya Union of Clinical Officers threatened to lead its members in downing their tools, KUCO officials on Tuesday were in a day-long meeting with governors at the COG offices in Nairobi. Speaking after the meeting, KUCO Secretary General George Gibore maintained that the members are ready to make good their threats to strike should their demands fail to be met by Sunday, 19th January. Key demands made by KUCO include the recognition and employment of healthcare providers and practitioners under the Clinical Officers Council and the reinstatement of pre-authorization rights for clinical officers under the Social Health Authority SHA.
We feel that we still have some time so that we can see reasonable engagement and movement in terms of addressing the issues which are there. Because if that is not done, eminently, as we have been ordered by our member, there will be a strike.
This as a section of health practitioners are currently on strike in Vihiga County.
We have a pending strike in Eldoret. We have a pending strike in Taita Taveta. And also, you know very well that we have a pending strike in Meru as much as the county ran to court. But similarly, there are issues at Isiolo, Marsabit, Machakos. There are many issues that are not resolved.
According to KUCO Chairperson Peterson Wachira, governors have shown goodwill in resolving contentious issues, including the implementation of a return to work formula, which ended their strike last year.
We have agreed on a framework of meetings so that we can be able to resolve that, which are supposed to start immediately. But of course, as you know, as yet, there is nothing that has been resolved. So our position as the union still stands that until we are able to resolve these things, the strike is still on. Come 19th at midnight.
Joseph Wakhungu for Prime Edition.